Hey guys, happy. It's like Friday, but it's like midnight. It was Thursday, but now it's midnight. But happy Friday, guys. So my package came and I'm excited to open it. Excited to open it. How am I gonna open this? Okay. So yeah. Gotta be careful, but yeah, I'm so excited. So, guys, I finally got my Bible. Yay! Then I got my book that says Prayers That Works. That's not all, guys. I got my toothpaste. Oh no, wait. I got my sunscreen. Wait. Wait, because I saw three oh, I got a pack of two. Okay. Then so guys, with my skin, I only use a certain type of body wash. So I used Olay eucalyptus. I use actually Olay, this Olay brand, but I've been using, like, if I don't have eucalyptus, I've been using any type of Olay, but I realized I tried this Olay peach, and I think that's the first time I ever tried it, because I normally use the guava and all the other flavors, but when I tried the peach, like, I thought my skin, I felt like my skin itching, like I woke up with some bruises on my skin, like you know, like I felt like my skin was irritated. But yes, guys, I got my eucalyptus. Guys, this was expensive. This right here was expensive. I got me the pack with 4 in it, but it's gonna last me for the rest of the year. But yeah, guys, my little eucalyptus, my sunscreen, Sensodyne, and most of all, my book and my Bible. When my best friend see this, she's gonna be like, oh my god, yay! My holy Bible. I had to get my Bible, my Tony Evans study Bible. So I'm about to get my word. I mean, I'm always in my word, but I'm about to get my word. Guys, when I tell you all, last week was rough for your girl. It was just rough. My pastor really, the lady this woman I went on, she basically encouraged me and encouraged us, and just saying, like, don't get distracted. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Richie's Life. In case you don't know, I'm Richie and this is my life. So guys, right now I have to hop in the shower and get my day started because I am running a bit late, but yet I chose the vlog. But hey, it is what it is. I love you guys and have a blessed day. So hey guys, so I am excited I'm just excited because it's something when you work so hard. You work hard for this and you finally got it. And you just hold it. It's not as if you idle the blessing, but you know the struggles and you know the challenges that you went through to get that blessing. So you hold that blessing precious. That's a precious thing. You cannot fumble it. You cannot allow it to you can't allow anybody to come in your life and to damage it. This was endurance. This was a season of obscurity. This was a season of tears. There was seasons of tears, seasons of joy, seasons of depression, seasons of just loneliness. So much seasons you went through. You had went through, and now God just showed Himself in your life. He just showed that, say, hey, during those seasons you were faithful. You remained faithful to me. So now it's time for me to show up. It's time for me to show you when you're faithful to God, when you give little, when you begin to, the little that you have, you continue to tithe, you continue to be the best version of yourself. You continue and you continue to be faithful in church, be faithful in these areas, and God say, hey, my daughter, it's time. Here you go. You're walking down this, you're working in that season of miracles, blessings. You're walking in that season, and you know, you're walking in the season, and I have a hedge of protection around you. I got you, guys. It's like words cannot express how I feel right now. It's just, I have been through so much, and just to see that God have God have just been there with me in the midst of so much things that I've been through that I did not share. I only share with a select of people, and God just showed up. He just showed up, and I'm trying not to cry. I'm trying not to be emotional, but my God, the God that I serve, He is well able. He's an on-time God. He always come true, and I'm just so grateful. And it's so funny, guys, that before God, like whenever I experience this, I know that it's elevation. Whenever the enemy poke his head in every area of my life, whether it be work, relationship, family, whether it be friends, wherever it is, the enemy always would try to poke his head into any door, any window, anything that's open. He try to poke his head. And when I see that attacks coming from the north, south, or coming like these attacks that's popping up, I said, Lord, like I pray, and I begin to, like, you know, just warfare and just pray. But every time this happens to me, I know that there's elevation. I know that God is going to do it. And guys, for the couple weeks ago, like I experienced something that was heartbroken, and I just was like, God, I felt so shocked. I got a prophetic word. My best friend and I, we got a prophetic word, and I just like, Lord, let's begin to pray. And now I see why the enemy was poking his head. Now I see why the enemy was trying to throw me off course, because what God had for me, I'm glad that I stayed on course. I'm glad I did not act out of character. I'm glad I remained humble, and I prayed about it. Like during that situation, I just began to pray. I just like start crying. I just start praying. And the type of thing is, I'm not like, I cry, but I'm not like with me, you're not gonna silence my voice. And at that moment, I was just so hurt because I didn't expect it. I didn't expect that. So I cried. I called my sisters. I talked to my best friend about it, and I told my fiance about it. And I just was like, I felt horrible. But now I see why. Like Bible does say we've been in joy for a night, but joy comes in the morning. Now I saw why. Now it makes sense. So listen, guys, it will all make sense in the end. It will all make sense. So can I continue to trust God, watch God work? Oh my gosh, guys, it was just that situation that I experienced. It was unexpected, but I received victory at the end. I see why God allowed that. That was a test. And I'm glad I passed that test. Oh, God is so faithful. He's well able. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do my laundry, and I'm gonna come back to you guys. So yeah, guys, I don't know, but anyway, we can talk. I can do a video about the situation. I can do a video about it, encouraging you guys. But I love y'all, and I will see you guys a little later in the vlog. Hey guys, welcome back to Richie's Life. In case you don't know, I'm Richie and this is my life. So guys, in the video, I talked about how I felt, how last week I experienced some sort of experience betrayal, and it had me. I was hurt about it because I was hurt. I just was like shocked. I was like, wow. wow. And I'm always the individual that I'm gonna my thing is, you're not gonna silence my voice. I'm gonna speak my mind. I'm gonna always defend myself. And at that stage, it was just like I was betrayed, but there was a spirit of I was humble in that situation. I was like, what are you? Because I just, in my mind, I was like, you're crazy. Oh my God. Then I started thinking, because in college I was a part of this organization where we talk about fighting addiction through education. We talk about mental illness. And in my mind, I just started like all of the terms, and like I literally started diagnosing. I was like, oh my God, this person is showing signs that they're this. And I just like, it just made me, and I cried because I was so shocked. And then I was like, now what? God, I trust you. Like, I cried. And during the situation, I literally get up and I walk away, and I went in the bathroom, I cried, and I prayed, and I instantly started praying. Like, when I prayed. Matters of hours. God, give me vindication. Matters of hours. And I just was like, God, like, Lord, you give me strength, give me wisdom to move now. Help me not to move, because God, I don't want to have attitude. I don't want to be that individual where, because I'm a Christian, I don't want to be, and the person is not a Christian, I don't want it to be like, oh, that's how Jesus wouldn't be like that, and that's how she doesn't betray Christ like things. She doesn't betray Christ. Christ doesn't behave like that. So it's like, Lord, I want my life to be a reflection of you, and I need you to help me navigate the situation. Yes, couple days went by. We had a conversation. I was like, it's fine, it's okay, I still love you, it's fine. And deep down in my mind, it wasn't fine, but I just said it. Because I just said, it's fine, it's okay. Because I come to the realization that, hey, it's fine. Once I say it's fine, it will be fine. God can work on me, because it's a work in progress. God has to work on me. Like, he has to work on me, because with me, I don't allow people in my life. My life is private. When I say private, I don't, like, actually, my life, somewhat private, I should say. But I just let them in, and which I still use wisdom and everything, but the way that the situation take place, it was just like jealousy. It was just jealousy. That's what it was. It was literally jealousy. And I was like, oh, you're older than me. You're somewhat more established in some areas than me. And all I saw is jealousy. And it's like, regardless of their status, people can still be jealous of you because you're happy. You're genuinely happy. And I was like, oh. But guys, when I tell you all, I was diagnosing her. With all these terms. I was like, oh, she have this, oh, she has schizophrenia, oh, she have a tick. She had, like, I think I learned psychology. Everything I learned in that class, I was just diagnosing them. Diagnosing her. It's not them, it's just her. And I just was like, oh, Lord. It's God's in your hands. Then I call my older sister. She's like, she's like, don't worry about her. My older sister, she good. My next sister, she was like, this made a joke of it. And then Tiffy was like, don't you worry about that. Tiffy give me she gave me some spiritual advice. My other sister, like, was helping keep my self-esteem up and my ego somewhat. My other sister made a joke about it, because she's like, well, that'll humble you. And I was like, my second sister was like, oh, that'll humble you. And I was like, not the time. But yeah, guys. But anyway, this is me for today. I don't know if y'all can see. But yeah, I'm gonna wear my black boots and put on my wedding ring, and I'm off. But anyway, guys, love y'all. Have a great day, and remember, you are the head and not the tail, above and not beneath. So enjoy today. Happy Monday once again.